Want that smooth flash transition effect in CapCut, but not sure how to create it? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to make your edits look clean and professional. Let's get started. Open CapCut and import your video clip. Drag and drop the video onto the timeline. Go to Transitions. Search for Flash Transition. Drag and drop the white flash transition onto your video. Play the video and check the flash effect. You can change the duration from the clip or from transition settings. Here is the next way. Go to Media. Click on Library. Click on Background. Drag and drop a white background onto your video. Resize it to fit your video. Go to Animations. Click on Go to Basic and select Fade In. Click on Out, go to Basic and select Fade Out. Play the video and see how it looks. You can adjust fade in and fade out duration easily. Play the video again to check the final result. That's it. Now you know how to create a clean flash transition in CapCut. Try it in your next edit and watch your videos instantly look more professional.